Welcome back to Barrage, OJT Barrage. I just clean forgot the OJT. But quick little thing. Shout out to Conjo Style. Like, I don't know if y'all can see this up there, but would you think that would look good?
There it is.
Oh, I think that would look so hot on the Accord. Right, definitely so, going to Conjo inspired.
Well, you gotta tell them what we're doing today.
Oh yeah, I'm over here rambling on. Finally got the Accord inside. Definitely pulling the swap today. Getting the engine bay prepped. Hopefully try to maybe power wash it, clean it, something. And get it ready for the next motor, which I definitely gotta go over and give you an update on what I'm doing. Plans changed, so obviously me saying that I might not be going H, but we'll see what happens, you know.
This car's coming along nice. He's gonna put another single cam in because he just wants to be able to drive it for car season, even though car season has been postponed due to Corona. So
hey, that was part of my changes. I wasn't supposed to tell that yet.
Oh, I thought you put it on the other one already, so.
Nah, I said that, but that's the plan change.
I just cut it out though. So
I might as well tell y'all now. Look, y'all can walk along with me as I set this up. So I'm all about doing things different. I wanted to go K, I wanted to go J, but doing more research. You know, a lot of stuff for the H fell in my lap, so I end up keep going with H series. But with a little more research being done, I always wondered what's the potential of single cam, and come to find out, F23 doesn't. Oh, I gotta wait to do that one in the back. Other side. The F23 has a lot of options out there in which you can do. A lot of people either boost them, get a good 300 horsepower out of it off of like 10 psi, or they'll put them on the bottle. But I was like, anybody ever did like an NA build or like a good bottle build off of a single cam? So I actually recently picked up a F23 single cam, which comes to find out has 86mm bore, and also K20 has an 86mm bore. So you can drop in K20 pistons into a single cam, the F23 single cam, but you just have to, it's some things that you have to do. You have to rotate the pistons to counter for offset the wrist pin balance or something like that. I'm doing more research. I got a lot of it jotted down, but I think I'm gonna go and do that and check that out and see if I can make like a 250 horsepower single cam all motor, and maybe probably like what 320ish off a little 50 shot. So I'm definitely gonna do that. So I know a lot of people will be interested in seeing that. Well, I'm doing it mostly for myself. I mean, I can kind of care less what other people think, not to be rude, but you always build for, you know, what you like, not for what everybody else likes. We're just gonna start taking off everything off the top. What thing is this connected to? Oh. Why was that even connected to it? You ever do stuff in your car you don't even remember why? Well, to show I ain't drive this car in so long. I love the fact that Hondas are like Legos. You just pop one out, pop another one in. I have no idea why that's like that.
Alright, so what are we doing now?
Oh, I gotta say all that over?
Yeah, because we couldn't use other stuff. It's copyright.
What did I say?
About coolant.
Alright, so just still continuing to disconnect everything, take all the lines off, fuel lines, harness, draining the coolant right now, but the hose on don't want to freaking come off. Oh, wait, 2 spots. Wait, that's not fair.
Oh, we just had a catastrophe. Somebody missed the bucket.
It came out.
Still missing the bucket. Not sure if we're getting on that.
Right. Filming the kitty litter? Huh? I see you filming you putting kitty litter in. Oh. Keep it in. You had this big old rip inside.
Yeah, I gotta get another bag. Hopefully that's not gone in them. Well, everything seems to be gone.
I think I could have some from Napa. we get some.
They're like a couple dollars a bag. That's the price one up.
I mean, doing the radiator is always a mess.
Yeah. Alright, so what are we doing now? Take out the cooling hoses?
Yes.
You gotta talk to the people at home.
Oh, that's it. It's like, I'm just doing what else, just disconnecting everything. I don't know what else to say to that. I just kind of get in my rhythm of going and definitely grab new hoses. Those, when I grab them, they just sound all clacky.
What's cooking off now? Another hoses.
You say hoses?
Is there anything you gotta double check for?
Just make sure everything is unplugged. That's the biggest factor. Because you don't want to go to drop it and next you know you're pulling out sensors and wires and then you got to repin stuff.
Is that on the floor or that bucket?
Bucket, kind of floor.
I think we caught the bucket this time. Let's see. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, we got the bucket this time.
Yep, still got some more outside the bucket.
Better than the last time.
You take the back motor mount bolt off.
Which bolt?
The back motor mount.
Wow. So you're gonna do that next? That's what you're doing now, you said?
Yep.
Okay.
If my gun fit in there, which I highly doubt it can. Because it's kind of big. So I'm going to have to use the breaker for it. Nope, I can fit in there, cool.
Decided to back up, I knew that was coming.
Have you, with older cars, make sure you put never seize on your bolts before they go back in. That bolt hot.
So right now we'll take a front motor mount. Then after the front motor mount, what's after that?
I don't know, I kind of just go as I see what's next to take off. Don't really have some plan when I take out the Accord.
Take out those mounts.
Kind of a general thing for taking out motors.
And then he already disconnected all the, you said you disconnected the main harness, right?
Yeah.
That was on the back firewall?
The axles.
Alright.
And that's the last thing I believe I have to take out in order to take this motor out. But I'll double check once I get the motor in there. Never sees your best friend.
So this is the current state at the moment. Oh, here we go. Waiting for focus to come on.
Oh, pull my axle. Other side. cut these.
What you cutting?
Zip ties.
Ah, zip ties. Tuna's best friend. You know when Sneaky Pete is coming by, he's supposed to be stopping there. There he goes. Got it out. Bringing out the other one.
I'm sure. Put this on this side. I can't know which side that's on switch. Okie dokie.
We're gonna put in the other motor today, but we had some issues, so that had to be probably in the second half of this video.
Ooh, put the other motor in today.
I thought you were doing both today.
I know.
Oh.
The other one next week because I got seals that I'm waiting to come in.
Well, then next week then. So we'll do it next week, and then that'll be the second half of this video.
Definitely will be. Alright, I got one more little
What are we looking at? Well, you.
coolant holes right here, and that's it.
Come on, so I can get that. Point to it.
This one, right?
So then we got all the other wires out.
Let's see. I'm gonna take the radiator right out too.
That was already drained. Earlier we had a little accident, so we don't have to worry about cooling if you're just getting with us. And
Oh, I need a new radiator soon too.
might as well do it at the same time you do your motor.
Yeah, I might as well order one, right? Like I got money or something. You hear this guy?
Sell toilet paper.
Extra. Get your toilet paper here. All the stores are sold out because of Corona.
Be a toilet paper stick up, boy.
Alright. She ready to come up.
Go home invasions just for toilet paper.
Just legit for toilet paper. Give me all the toilet paper!
Don't you dare wipe your crack.
Ain't no crack wipe.
But based on how it is, it'd probably be good for me to actually change out the crack too if I do what I do. Come on. Oops. One down.
Milwaukee. Milwaukee.
We're not sponsored. What's up? Something happened?
Nope.
What has to come off?
I'm just taking the motor mount completely off to make it a little bit easier. So we're trying to rock this whole thing. Come on, get in there. Nope. All right. Oh, sorry. Gotta get longer extension.
Trying to get to that. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. There we go.
Got the extension.
So it's really pretty much off of it though.
Yeah.
So what are you trying to get off?
Because the back motor mount is higher than this one.
Oh, okay.
So I'm trying to give it some more. See there?
Oh, and it's down.
Yeah, let me just go up some more. Alright, before you go all the way up, just double check. Make sure the whole line are clear. Oh, I hear something cracking.
I thought that was the wood.
Oh, I know what that is.
What are we getting to?
No, just stuff that was just hung up.
Okay.
Yo, by eyesight, and I measured that up by eyesight, the whole pallet, that fits so perfect for this. Did it not look around?
Yeah, it did. It worked out. We just made a quick pallet because we didn't have a dolly, because we didn't have anything to put it on as we had to pause earlier.
Bro, that came out so perfect. Look at it.
So I cut it up and made it, and Jevon pretty much eyeball measured it.
And it came out perfect.
Came out great.
Look at how perfect it is. Just look where the exhaust ends right there. Look how perfect that is. Just from like looking with my eye. Oh, your boy got skills. Alright, so we all done for today. That's got the mission accomplished. Took the motor out. They don't want to do nothing else much.
Yeah.
Next week, next episode, however you want to call it, we're gonna come back, power wash the engine bay, prep it all nice, and put the next single cam in, the F23.
Hopefully, I can take you guys for a ride in the RX-7, but we gotta fix that ringing.
That ringing.
The ringing is driving me crazy. So hopefully we can do that. All right. So until next time, like and subscribe, and hope to see you back. See ya.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my post the same now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm.